Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. Guys, today we will unbox Q5 wireless sports headset model Q5. It's a very popular Bluetooth earphones among all Bluetooth because its battery backup about 10 days. Yes, you are listening absolutely right. Its battery backup is very good. I am personally using this earbuds and I know about this. Let's unbox this Bluetooth and we will see what is inside this Bluetooth. So first of all, we found one manual for instructions of this Q5 Bluetooth, one packet of rubbers which you can use small, bigger, any size which can fit it in your earth. This is its charging port. This is the USB charging cable and this is the Bluetooth neckband. I am personally using this one and I know about this battery backup. Its battery backup very good, about 40 hours. This one it's charging and control. This plus sign for increase the volume, center is for power on power off, and this minus for decrease the volume. Here like this you can charge your headset. It's a magnetic charging system. I will show you how to charge this one. It's a micro charging. It support micro USB charging. You can see when your Bluetooth is on charging, it's showing you red indication, and when it become a full, it will show you blue indication. So like this you can charge your Bluetooth earbuds. For center button for power on. When you power on your Bluetooth, this blue and red indication is showing you it's ready for pairing, so you can easily pair this Bluetooth to your device. So these earphones have backside magnets, so easily catch each other when you are wearing it. So you can see this Bluetooth. It's a Q5 model. Let's talk about its specification. Product name Q5 wireless headset. Battery model is lithium. It's using lithium battery. It's charging up to 3 hours. 3 hours it will take up for charging. Its range 10 meter, which is all Bluetooth 5.1 version using maximum 10 meter. Within 10 meter you can use this Bluetooth from your device, and it's a Chinese brand. And here you can see it's using Bluetooth 5.0 version. So this is the all about this Q5 wireless sports headset. Hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video and comment your thoughts about this Bluetooth in comments box. Thanks for watching. Stay updated guys. Link in description box. So if you like to buy this product from AliExpress, I buy this one from AliExpress, so you can buy this product from AliExpress. Product link in description below. Thanks for watching guys.